Hello everyone! Hello Teletubbies! Uh-oh! This is a very special day for the Teletubbies because today we're going to be learning all about different kinds of shapes. Yay! Okay, I've hidden the shapes all over Teletubby Land. Do you think you can find them all and bring them back here? Yeah! Great. Okay, everyone. On your marks, get set, go! La-la-li-la. Oh! Hello again, Laa-Laa. What is that you found? It looks a lot like one of the shapes that I hid, but I can't remember what its name is. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know what it is, boys and girls? What's that? Oh, that's right. It's a square. Tinky-Winky. Ooh. Hello, Tinky-Winky. It looks like you found another one of the hidden shapes. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And it also has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what this shape is called? What did you say? Excellent. That's what it is. A triangle. Ba-ba-tum, ba-ba-tum. Dipsy, there you are. And look, you found the next shape. Wow, this is an interesting one. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. And look how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides. What a big number that is. I can see that you really like this shape, Dipsy. But what could it be called? Do any of you know? It's called a what? Ah, of course. This shape's name is a star. Well done, everyone. You found all the shapes that I hid for you to find. But wait a minute. Where is Poe? Oh no, Poe is missing. Po. Oh, Poe, there you are. We were just starting to worry about you. And look, you've brought a shape with you as well. How clever you are, Poe. But Poe, what could your shape be? It has 0 straight sides. And it has 0 corners. My goodness, this is a mystery. Can you help the Teletubbies, boys and girls? Do you know what the shape is called? What did you say? Oh, of course! An even shape with no straight sides and no corners is called a circle. Wonderful! So we have a square, we have a triangle, a star, and last but not least, a circle. Well, wasn't that a lot of fun? But I think it's time for us to say goodbye to all the boys and girls. Say goodbye, Teletubbies. Bye-bye. 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 Hello everyone! Hello Teletubbies! Uh-oh! This is a very special day for the Teletubbies because today we're going to be learning all about numbers. Yay! Okay, well let's get going, shall we? Lead the way, Teletubbies. Off they go! Uh-oh, Tinky-Winky. Here comes Dipsy. It's Laa-Laa. And finally, here comes Po. What a lovely scooter. I wonder where they could be going. This looks like a lovely place to stop. I wonder if there's anything here we could count. Oh wow, look at that, how pretty! Teletubbies, can you tell me how many flowers you can see? One! That's right, one yellow flower. Shall we see what else we can find to count? Here we go again. I wonder what we will find to count this time. What have we got here, Teletubbies? Oh, would you look at that? There are some happy ducks swimming around in that pond. Teletubbies, how many ducks do you see? 2. Right again. You are all very good at this. There are 1, 2 happy little ducks swimming in that pond. Let's keep going and see what else we can find to count. Come on, Teletubbies. There goes Tinky-Winky and Dipsy, Laa-Laa and Po. Keep up, Po. Now be very careful, Teletubbies. We don't want to scare any animals that could be hidden amongst the trees. How many trees can you see? 1, 2, 3. 3! Oh, Teletubbies, you're right again. There are 1, 2, 3 trees. Come on, I'm sure we can find some more things to count if we keep searching. What happened? Could you not find anything else to count? No. Oh, what a shame. Wait a minute. I think I can see something we can count. Can you guess what it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Teletubbies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay, again. Oh, well done. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big hug. Well, that was so much fun. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Time to say goodbye, Teletubbies. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.